Sanbona, welcome to another exciting episode where we dive into the rich and delicious world of Zulu cuisine. Today, we are talking about a beloved and traditional dish, Izinkobe. But what exactly is Izinkobe? It's simply boiled maize kernel with beans, a nutritious and filling dish enjoyed by generations of Zulu people. From its deep-rooted history to the best ways to prepare and enjoy it, we've covered it all. So, stay tuned and let's get started. Izinkobe is basically the seasonal version of sempen beans made using fresh mealies or corn. The two are cooked together until tender in the most deliciously simple way. Not to be confused with semp and beans. This is slightly different because it's made using fresh corn or mealies, which are cooked slowly with dried sugar beans to make this bowl delicious. Izinkobe is more than just food, it's a taste of history. For generations, our ancestors have relied on maize as a staple, and Izinkobe has remained a favorite way to enjoy it. In the past, it was a common meal for hardworking farmers, young children, and even elders, providing strength and nourishment. It's also a dish that brings people together, whether it's at home with family or during traditional ceremonies. Even today, Izinkobe is a symbol of heritage, resilience, and a connection to the land. It reminds us of our roots and the simple yet delicious flavors of traditional Zulu cooking. Now, let's talk about how to make the perfect bowl of Izinkobe. The best part about Izinkobe is that you only need two ingredients: maize kernels and beans. So you need fresh corn, and then you're gonna remove kernels from the cob. As you have seen at the beginning of this video, I was removing it. And then you're gonna need beans. Back home we use sugar beans, and here I'm just use what I have. And then you're gonna wash your beans and you wash your corn as well, and then you put them in your pot. You mix it up together, and you're gonna add your water into it, and you cook it. And not forgetting the salt to taste. And then you leave it up to boil until it's tender. And when it's tender, it's ready to be served. As simple as that. So you remember how I had two corn cobs, so the other one I decided to just boil it because I felt it was gonna be a lot since it's just the four of us at home right now. So the other one I just cut it into 3 pieces and I boiled it. So in the olden days, our grandmothers cooked Izinkobe over an open fire, giving it a rich, smoky taste. This meal was mostly eaten during corn harvesting time because you need fresh corn to do it. And today, you can use a gas stove or electric stove. And today I used my NutriCook, and I got this results. Now that Izinkobe is ready, how do we enjoy it? The beauty of this dish is its versatility. Some enjoy it as is, appreciating its natural taste, And some they would add butter and more salt or seasoning like aromate, beef or chicken stock, just to add more of a rich flavor. So there you have it, a simple yet iconic dish that has stood the test of time. Izinkobe is more than just food. It's a taste of culture, history, and tradition. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried Izinkobe? What's your favorite way to eat it? Do you have a version of this dish in your culture? What is it called? Please let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it to support Zulu food culture, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the channel for more authentic African food, traditions, and culture. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for watching. I'll see you in our next video.